Push-ups are one of the most popular exercises in the world. They're used for strength, endurance, and muscle building. But popularity doesn't mean effectiveness. The problem isn't the exercise. The problem is how people perform it. Today, I'll show you the most common push-up mistakes, why they limit your progress, and how to fix them properly. The first mistake is flaring your elbows outward. When your elbows move too far away from your body, you shift stress away from the chest and onto the shoulders. Over time, this increases the risk of shoulder discomfort and reduces chest activation. Most people flare their elbows because it feels easier. But easier does not mean better. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your torso. This position allows your chest, shoulders, and triceps to work together efficiently. The second mistake is poor hip positioning. If your hips sag, you overload the lower back. If your hips are too high, you turn the push-up into a partial plank. In both cases, your core is not doing its job. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core as if you're bracing for a punch. Squeeze your glutes lightly. This turns the push-up into a full-body movement, not just an arm exercise. Another major issue is incomplete range of motion. Many people stop halfway down or barely lock out at the top. This reduces muscle activation and slows progress. Muscle grows when it works through a full range. Lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground. Then push up until your arms are fully extended, without locking the elbows aggressively. Control the movement in both directions. Speed is another problem. Fast push-ups rely on momentum, not muscle. When you rush, your form breaks down and tension disappears. Slow down. Lower yourself for about 2 seconds. Pause briefly at the bottom. Push up with control. Time under tension is what builds strength and muscle. Here's the correction that changes everything. Most people think push-ups are about pushing the ground away. Instead, think about pulling your hands toward each other without moving them. This creates internal tension and activates the chest far more effectively. Once you feel this, your push-ups will never feel the same again. Let's put it all together. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Fingers spread for stability. Elbows angled about 45 degrees. Core braced, glutes engaged, lower under control. Full range of motion, no rushing. This is what a proper push-up looks like. If push-ups feel easy, this form will make them challenging again. If push-ups feel hard, this form will make them safer and more effective. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, technique always comes first. Push-ups are not a beginner exercise. They're a technique exercise. Master the basics and your strength will follow. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple, effective fitness breakdowns. And check the next video where we fix another common exercise mistake.